Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, I am in my dropper game that we haven't been on in a long time. I've been waiting to do this video for a while, so we're doing this today. We are doing part 3 of our dropper game. This is going to be the last episode of it. I might make some occasional update videos to show you guys how I'm updating the game. But yeah, we're going to finally get to publish our game. I know you guys have been waiting for this. I know I have, so yeah, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. At 100 subscribers, guys, I'm going to be doing a Robux giveaway, so you definitely want to subscribe. Also, make sure to join the Discord and our group, so that way you can enter the giveaway once it happens. And today is my birthday, so that's another reason you should subscribe. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. I'll have a link to all those things in the description, by the way. So these are the new maps I made. I made a checkerboard map. Obviously, three sides make you or kill you, and then one side you can fall through. So that's one dropper. I made a tree dropper. I made a rainbow dropper. Oh, by the way, the one that you need to land on is this one to win. Okay, I made this one's kind of confusing. Lollipop. Basically, you get the point. Alright, but yeah, so the first thing we're going to do is well, first, I want to show you guys, I've made this over here. So do you see this? This is going to be the winner area. I'm not done with it yet. I will make sure to add more off camera. But yeah, this is the winner area. When you win, you teleport here. And you're going to jump down here to restart. But in order to do that, we need to actually code. So let's go to the leader stats script that we created. Oh, and by the way, guys, I will have this ragdoll script in the description. Please note it is not my script. It will say it belongs to me, but I just got it from someone else and made it into a model. So it is not my script. I will have that in the description. So we're going to go ahead and copy this. And we're going to go like that. Okay, so we're going to copy and paste this right here. We're going to make a rebirth leader stat. Rebirth. Alright, there we go. So then I can just copy the rebirth and paste it here, 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 and there. So that, once we play the game, is going to add this. You can see now we have levels beaten level and rebirth. Also, so that's going to help us later with that. Also, guys, I wanted you guys to see, I forgot to show you this at the beginning. Over here, if you go to the teleport part right here, I added this right here. So, you might remember, connect function hit. You might remember adding this, but I also added under here, if hit.parent, go and find first child humanoid then, I did if hit.parent.humanoid that health equals 100 then. You need to add this, okay guys? You're going to need to add an extra if here with this right here because it fixes a bug where if you land on the teleport part, if your dead body lands on the teleport part, it's going to give you infinite levels beaten and move you on to the next level when you respawn. So you definitely want to add that. Alright. Anyways, now that we have that done, I forgot what I was going to do. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, we're going to go. So this is just something extra. We're going to be adding a bunch of extra fun little things today. We're going to use go to starter character scripts and insert a script. Alright? So what this basically is when you die, there's going to be a meme playing. So it's kind of fun to do. So that's what we're going to be adding. So you're going to want to search up memes like, I don't know. I already have the memes, so I'm just going to paste them. Oops. I'm just going to paste them up. I didn't copy them. 1 second. Alright, as I was saying, going to get the scripts from here and or not paste them, you're going to put them as a child to the script. I'm going to play the memes that I got for recording.
Oh, you playing Minecraft. I like it cause you...
Alright, and then this
They
one.
ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright, and then the last one is, it's just going to say you. And there we go. Those are the memes, I guess. So we're going to enter the script here. Delete this. Alright. We're going to do while wait 0.1. Alright, and then do enter local meme equals math dot random 1 comma 3. You're going to want to do this because it's going to get a random number 1 through 3. So number 1 is going to be one meme, and then number 2 is going to be another meme, number 3 is going to be another meme, and whatever number it lands on, it's going to play. So, but just to make sure it works, I'm going to do print it worked. Oh no, we're going to print meme. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. We're not going to print it works, we're going to print meme. Alright, so go to view here, open the output, so you can see a bottom here. What is happening there? Oh, it's always doing that because I still haven't set it to something. Alright, so you can see all the random numbers it's getting there, pasting them, spamming the output. But I forgot, well, you didn't forget because I haven't showed it, but I forgot to do if script dot parent dot humanoid dot health equals 0, then the reason why we're doing the reason why I'm doing the parent, because obviously it doesn't have a humanoid and it's not a person, is because in the starter character scripts, as soon as you start the game, that script is going to be put into a player. As you can see, it's no longer spamming the output because my health is not 0. And if I go to, where am I? No, wrong one. Alright, here I am. Alright, so if I go to, here is the script that I have from earlier. As you can see, it is in my player. And if I die, you can see it's just spamming the random numbers. Alright. But we obviously aren't going to want it to spam it. We'll fix that in a bit. Alright, so it's going to do... Alright, you can get rid of the print meme now. So I'm going to do if meme equal 1. Now if meme equals 1, then... Alright, we're going to do script dot parent dot script dot death noise dot parent equals, so we're going to set this to the player's head. Okay, no, equals script dot parent dot head. Alright, so then we're going to do why does this keep happening to me? Alright, script.parent.head. Okay, no, I don't want it to be descendant at. Alright. Now I'm just gonna see if this works. I'm just gonna let it spam it because I want to make sure it works in the first place. Okay, if I go to my player here, where's my head? Here it is. Alright. As you can see, the death noise is in my head. So we're going to do wait 0.01 so that way it actually gets to the head. And then we're going to do script.parent.head.death noise play. There we go. And then we're going to also add script : destroy so it doesn't spam in chat like it was doing earlier. They're just going to copy this and we're going to paste it again down here, except this. Okay, there we go. But we are going to want to do else if, not if, but we're going to add an else there. So else if meme equals 2, then it's going to do not the death noise, but death 2. And then if you copy this again, oh wait, I know, copy, paste that right there too. Alright, there we go. If I copy this too, and then I paste it over here, we're going to set it to 3, and set this to yeet. And then if we test it, alright, see, alright, so if I die now, see, it landed on 3, so it's playing that, and it's not playing that over and over since it destroyed the script. Now if I die again, it should play a different run. Oh, I'm supposed to die. Oh, what? Play a different one, please. Or else I'm gonna look stupid. Alright. Let's see, play a different one.
You playing Minecraft.
See?
I like it cause you.
It's totally random, and it will play one of your memes. And if you have more memes or less memes, just put it up to that number, but keep doing basically the same
To
thing.
say that you're 5
sure.
when you're not really 5 and you just can't get into it because they would.
Alright, and there we go. So there's that. That's done. And then we can go. Now it's time to go do that. But first, before we're gonna do that, to rebirth and restart you, you're going to want to add the teleport for the last level you currently have. The teleport. You're gonna want to set the respawn location and the teleport location to win spawn. So in the winners area over here, it doesn't matter how it looks as long as it has a spawn there, like this, called win spawn. And that's where you're going to teleport. Alright, so then let's go down here. I will be decorating this a lot off camera. We're going to do the script. So in the script here, I'm just going to delete it. It was never here. Don't worry about it. Alright, so we're going to just copy a random teleport script. We're just going to paste it into the script that you want to teleport them and restart them. And we're just going to say, we're going to make it teleport them to the tutorial spawn. If they touch it, where is it? The tutorial spawn. Okay. Oh, I'm searching tutorial spawn in the tutorial spawn. I'm stupid. Okay. I'm going to get the name and I'm just going to copy it. Because I'm lazy, so rename. Let's copy this name. Alright, there we go. It's going to say tutorial spawn. This right here will also say tutorial spawn. And right here where it says the leader stats thing, I'm going to copy that and paste this so that way it's not going to say that, but it's going to say dot rebirth. So we're going to keep, also make sure you set that the level value back to 0 over here. So that way when they restart it, they're not going to be at level 15, they're going to be at level 0. And we can paste this. Alright, there we go. And that should work just fine. We're going to keep the levels beaten. Just the whole point of the levels beaten is to show the total levels beaten. So, yeah. Alright, now I'm going to... Actually, I don't want to beat this. I don't want to beat my own game. I want you guys to
get into it because they would.
Right, I'm just going to go to the leader stat script, and I'm going to set my respawn location to win spawn. Alright, there we go. So that means I'm going to just spawn at the winner spawn. Yay, I beat the game! Yay, now I just jump down here. And look, I'm back at the start, and you can see I have rebirth, and my level is set to 0. Although, it shouldn't give me a levels beaten. I'm stupid. Alright, you're going to go back to the script and delete the levels beaten entirely, because that shouldn't even be there. And make sure it's the right script, though. Alright, yeah, delete the levels beaten entirely, because that shouldn't be there. You're not beating a level by doing that. Alright, so there you have it. But I want to go ahead and add some extra stuff, because why not? So I'm just gonna call this level. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm going to insert a part. I'm coming up with this right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to make like a floating GUI thing. That's going to say the name of your level. So I'm gonna put this in the air. First thing you're gonna set to anchored and cast shadow to off. Alright, then you're going to add a billboard GUI. Alright, so in this billboard UI, you're going to add a text label. In the text, also we're going to set the part transparency to 1 so that way it's invisible. In the text label here, you're going to make it say the name of this level. So this level is just going to be called the clouds. There we go. And I'm going to set to scaled, of course. And there we go. So there is our level name. So if I duplicate this, move it over here. I have to go soon. So I'm just trying to do this as fast as I can. If I can name the level billboard UI. I can name it text to too much white. There you go. So then I can duplicate it again. Bring it over here. This one will be called where is it? Okay. Wood ship lollipop. I don't know how to spell lollipop. But I remember my sister, when she went to ballet class, she danced to this. So, alright. This one will be called the text is just gonna say, where is it? Okay, text is going to say white light. There you go. Alright, so move this over here, and this will say text is going to say rainbows galore. There you go. Hope I spelled that right. And then on the last, nope, it's going to say the text will be too many trees. And then I can add this one, duplicate it over here, and it will be called there you go. The text is going to say checkers. Alright, there you go. Anyways, guys, I think that is it for this video. If you enjoyed and this video is helpful to you, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll continue working on the. Oops, I forgot to change. I'll continue working on like the modeling and stuff off camera. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, join the group in the Discord, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.